Okay, so what are we gonna do today, Sammy?
I'm gonna play this camera.
No, we're not gonna play with the camera. The camera is gonna see what we do.
I'm gonna play in Sammy's camera. Wanna play the Sammy's camera?
I don't want to play with Sammy's camera. I
I want to play.
What do you want to play?
I get to play. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
You want to play with the Play-Doh? You say hi to Miss Riddy.
Hi, Miss Pretty.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you guys doing?
I'm playing what are you doing?
What are you doing? You want to play a game with Miss Natalie?
No. I'm playing and this one.
What's this one?
What is that?
It's Play-Doh.
Oh.
Play Play-Doh with Miss Nat. And what else are we going to do?
I need that there. And the instruments and music.
You want to do music? Musical instruments.
Musical instruments.
Oh.
Love musical instruments.
Musical instruments. Musical instruments.
And then what else?
Also, the toy.
Which one?
Toy here.
I don't know which one you mean.
The train game.
The train game.
The train game. Can I ride the train? Red train.
Okay, you're going to cut them out for Nat, please.
Red train. Another train.
It's cut along the big black lines.
Bye.
Oh, I'm not going in yet. I'm going to go in a few minutes though, I promise.
Okay, I promise?
Yes, I promise.
And then more Kansas. I did. Oh, what's this? And the brat, and the brat, and the brat. And the brat, 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 and the brat.
Here you go, Sammy Noodle. Which scissors do you want?
Blue.
Okay.
And there's the blue one. And that's the red one.
Yep. Come on, we're going to cut along the big black lines. Sammy, that's sharp. Please don't do that.
I mean, yeah. Which one? There's a blue one. One.
Yep.
Can I get the musical instrument?
Honey didn't bring back the ABCL yet.
There's the musical instrument.
Careful of your fingers, please.
And then put your hand.
That's done. I've got 3 pieces.
None. You have.
I've got 3 things to do today. Can I have the scissors, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. What are we going to do first? Choose a card.
The Play-Doh.
The Play-Doh. Okay. Do you want to play on the table or on the floor?
On the floor. Okay.